My name is Chisom Jonathan. I'm reporting from Iwere Study and Research Center, Enugu State of Nigeria, West Africa. Nigeria teenagers today and their early marriage. It has caused many things in our country, like poverty, uneducated parents, looking up to material things, and it has as well lead to many things like lack of glamorization of marriage, being exposed to violence, not capable of handling marriage problems. So I would like people inside and outside the country to help us in this problem, maybe helping us in educational aspects by giving our youth today free education. I believe that will make our youth more better. Thanks. Report from Chisom Jonathan from Iwere Research Center.